Welcome to Boundary Ford, located 2502 50th Ave, Leamminster, Border City. Today, look at this beautiful pre-owned 2020 Ford F-350 Lariat. The exterior color is white, and under the hood is a 6.7-liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front, we have automatic headlamps as well as fog lamps. Over to the side, we have 19-inch aluminum wheels and Goodyear tires, as well as color-matched handles and mirror caps. This 2020 F-350 also comes with a remote start, as well as an engine block heater. At the rear, we have a power lift tailgate, as well as a rear camera with reverse sensing systems. At the interior, we have drive-friendly features including power locks, power windows, as well as mirror settings with the door storage. Making your way to the cabin, you'll see our lovely black leather seating with adjustable soaking on the side, as well as our lumbar support. Over our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp settings, as well as a telescopic steering wheel, our cruise control option on the left, and our median hands-free option on the right, which is above being a rearview mirror of our cabin lighting. Looking forward to this 2020 F-350, you can see it has 85,953 kilometers on it, as well as over our center face, the options available such as our audio, climate control, phone integration, navigation, application, and settings, which is below being a climate control area, which provides air conditioning and heating of the entire cabin. Alongside that, we have heated and cooling seats. If there are any more questions about this beautiful pre-owned 2020 Ford F-350 Lariat, then please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. Thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.